Hello and welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today we've got some fresh broccoli here, fresh Florida broccoli, matter of fact, and got from a local Publix supermarket. And so we're going to steam it, or maybe we're going to roast it. Stay tuned to find out. But the first thing we're going to do is get it out of this wrapper here. Okay, now we're going to take hold of the stalk here, and we're just going to try to cut all these florets off here. I don't want too far down here, but I want to save some of that stem because that's pretty good stuff. Just go in there like that, and it comes right off. And it goes everywhere. Alright, that's that one. Now you can decide what you want to do to that. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. If you want to cook it up, you know, eat it. We'll go over here and get this little guy. I have to watch this. That's a sharp knife, a Cuisinart knife. I'll tell you what. You get ready to cut something, you better make sure your finger's not in there. Okay, now some of these will just separate here, you know. That looks pretty good right there. I'll separate this in a little bit. Cut that off a little bit. You know, get it to where it suits you, to where it looks good to you. As long as it looks good to you, it don't matter whether it looks good to anybody else or not, right? Okay, now, got those out of the way. And the next thing we're going to do, then we'll take my favorite steamer basket here, my little green steamer basket. I think it's OXO or something like that. Whatever it is, it's a good little steamer basket. I'll leave a link to it down below, and we'll just put it in here. And I'm putting it in here to wash it. I'm not putting it in here to cook it yet. Don't need to wash that rubber band. Okay, now that's all good and washed off, and I'm going to take this little measuring cup here, this little 1 cup measuring cup. So I put just a little bit over a cup of water in it. We'll pour down in this Ninja FOODi DELUXE. We'll take this little green crisper steamer basket here and set down in here, and then we're taking our pressure lid here and put it right on top here. Turn it clockwise till it stops. Make sure you leave your valve back here to vent, not seal, but vent. Okay, the next thing we'll do is turn the power on. Alright, we'll go over here to where it says steam. We're not going to do 10 minutes, we're going to do 7 minutes. So you hit your timer button, and it goes to flash, and you come down to 7 minutes. Okay, now you hit the start button. Now, even though we've got it on steam and we've got the valve back there open to vent, it still has to build up some the temperature here before it starts to steam your vegetables. So we'll be back when it gets ready. Okay, now there it goes, counting down your 7 minutes. Now it took 7 minutes for that to get hot enough for it to start to steam in your vegetables. So now we'll get back to it in another 6 minutes and 44 seconds. And see how it is. I bet it's going to be so good and tender. So, we'll be back. Well, you got a chance, if you can, join our channel and give us a thumbs up. We sure appreciate it. Thumbs up. And thank you very much to all you people that checks out our links down below and order stuff from our links. So that means a lot to us too. So, but most of all, we like you people that watches our videos. So we'll be back. Okay, now we're down under 10 seconds on this steaming cook here. Don't forget, turn your valve to vent and not seal. Okay, it says done. Okay, now we're going to turn the lid counterclockwise. Lift straight up on it, away from you. Set it down your sink to drain. Oh, that looks good right there. Let's see if you can't see it, can you? I'll fix it so you can. All right. Okay, now I'm going to turn the pot around a little bit here so I handle it better. And don't forget that this pot's hot. Now you can pick this up just like this. Carry it right on over to your bowl. And that's what I love about this green crisper steamer basket so good. You just pick it up by the edge there and slide it on down in there. Now this is going to need a little bit of salt and pepper. But remember now, everybody's taste is not the same, so just a little bit of stuff in here, pepper like that, and a little bit of salt. Now we're going to toss it around pretty good. Get that all mixed up in there. Now you can always add more salt and pepper, but if you got too much on it, you can't take it out. So, now, last but not least, we've got this cheese sauce here. Now this is this Ragu double cheddar. This is good stuff right here, folks. I'm taking, we're going to drizzle it all over here. Just like that. Well, don't that look great? I'll toss this just a little bit. None of these guys get left out. Okay, and there you about have it. Let me get a little plate here so we can try it. Okay, now I've got my spaghetti ladle here. That ought to work just fine. Got me a little bit over here in this bowl. I'm going to tell you right now, that sure does look good. Okay, now, tell you what, now that's pretty good looking broccoli and cheese right there, cheese sauce. Okay, now this is pretty soft broccoli here. Now, if you want it to be a little more crispy, just cut back on your time a little more. It probably could have come out at 5 minutes and still be a little bit more crispier than this. But there's nothing wrong with this at all. This is perfect right here. This is, well, it's not perfect if you like it more crispy. So, anyway. So now Kay comes along and says she didn't want her broccoli steamed. She wanted it roasted. So now, not a problem. We're just going to roast it. Okay, so now we're going to try to do some roasted here. You know, we've got to keep peace in the family. Everybody gets what they want. So we'll cut them florets off like this. And we'll separate them some more. Okay, now I'm gonna wash the rest of this off just like I did a while ago in that when I steamed it in this little green steamer. Now, if you don't have one of these, you can use the colander or whatever you want to, you know, to I just like to use it because the water can go on through it, and just keep on rinsing it, and that way you're done with it. But this time when we finish washing it, we're going to dump it in this glass bowl right here. Set that aside. Okay, now I'm going to take my Evo oil sprayer here, and this is olive oil in here. We'll spray it down a little bit. Okay, I'll put some salt and pepper on it. Okay, now when you're seasoning this stuff, put salt and pepper on it. Remember, you can always put more on it later, but you can't take it out. So, you really need to take into consideration a little bit everybody else, you know, just because you like yours loaded down with salt don't mean everybody that wants theirs loaded down with salt. So now we're going to turn it over a little bit. Make sure all these boys have got the piece here, or a little bit of salt and pepper and oil. And I think I will do it one more time. Spray them down just a little bit more, not much. One more pepper. A little more salt. Okay, now I'm just going to put just a little bit of garlic in here. Now this label on the side here says 1/2 teaspoon equals approximately 1 clove of garlic. So I'm not going to put no more than 1/2 teaspoon in there. Now some people love garlic, you know, so maybe you want to put more in there than that. I don't want to throw it all over the countertop though. There you go. Now let me shut the lid on this before it runs me out of the house. I'm going to mix it up again. Alright, now we're getting there. Now let me clean my hands. Okay, now I'm just going to start placing this stuff down there as close together as I can get it in this Ninja FOODi Deluxe crisper basket here. And we'll keep on going until I either run out of space or run out of broccoli. Okay, now I got them all down in there. You can see there's a few of them on top of each other, but they'll be all right. I feel pretty safe in saying. All right, now the next thing we're going to do is shut the door on this Ninja FOODi Deluxe and turn on the power. Okay, and we'll go here and go down to bake roast. We'll leave it there, and it's going to be 375. I'm going to run it up to about 390. So you hit your temperature button, and you turn it clockwise so it gets up to your desired temperature. And then the time here, I'm just going to start it out at 7 minutes, and I'll look at it and see what it looks like. And if it needs more, we'll do more, and if it don't, we'll take it out. So then we're going to hit the start button. So now, we'll be back shortly. Okay, now we're down to about 10 seconds on this thing. I want to open it up and look at it, but I'm going to do something else as soon as I do, but I want you to see. Now we got 1, 0. All right, now we'll raise it up. Oh, don't that look good? But a little Parmesan cheese right on top of it. All right. Now we'll shut the lid back. Okay, we'll shut the lid back now. And it went back to 375 the way we had it. It stayed on bake roast. And so we're going to hit the time button. We did hit the time button. And we're going to drop it down to 4 minutes. then we'll go hit the start button. Now I'm sort of going to keep an eye on this, make sure it don't get too far along, you know, because I don't want it to burn on us. So we'll be looking at it shortly. Now I sure smell that Parmesan cheese down there. I'm going to take a look. Oh, that's looking better and better all the time. That's going to be really good in another 2.5 minutes or so. Okay, now it comes to an end on that. Now let's see if we can get it out of this pot without burning ourselves. And get it over here in this bowl so we can try it. I'm just going to dump it right in there like that. And there it comes for the most part. Whoops. Now that looks pretty good now. I'll give me a fork and try it here in a second. That looks pretty good, don't it? Now that looks real nice and crispy right there, folks. And it is really good. Now, whether you like it roasted or you like it steamed with cheese sauce on it, there's no wrong way to fix this. This is delicious both ways. And you can see how much is left in that bowl. It's about gone already. So, anyway, that about does it for this little video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed making it for you. And hope you'll come back and see us real soon. If you can, give us a thumbs up and join our channel. Well, thanks again. Y'all have a real good and safe day. Goodbye now.